Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still here they bring you updates back to back as they hot. My wonderful people, the one where they happen right now as we they talk. Now be say that the share company is finally leaving Nigeria very soon. As they don't talk am for the matter. As that one they happen, they say that the Igbos in Haiti, Caribbean, they say they don't trace their origin come Enugu state and say they are Igbos and they want to know where their ancestors come from. No be smart, something things they happen as we they talk. They say the latest trend for Ábuja right now as we they talk that the people where they go carry people for their house, whether they call kidnap, they say those people now, what thing they do now house to house, now that they go for Ábuja. I thought that Ábuja is the safest place where everybody they run to, but Ábuja now house to house, according to this video where we will show now here. My people, let's go and find out how all this thing they happen. If you know say you never follow this page, make sure say you follow this page for more updates as it they hot, because we day here they bring you update. Try to follow all our social media handles so that you will know what they go on for inside the matter. No be smart, as we they talk right now, they say that the Northerners want to host a protest against the for Tinubu government. But the one where they trend for social media now, some people don't come up content and say this protest will on our host in no go work, because during the time of Buhari, the whole Nigerians are planning protests, but North was excluded. They do like say they no follow for Nigeria thing. They say that the protest is haram for inside their place. And right now, the Yorubas and other Nigerians are telling the northern Nigeria that it's also a haram to make a protest. That Tinubu here will all day. So nobody go run out from this. Because when somebody will come outside say you want to fix Nigeria, they do tribalism. Say na Igbo, they no agree, make it enter there. Say right now, protest will not work in Nigeria. No be smarty, my people. Let's look into this video where I go play you right now. This one is happening in Enugu state as the Igbos in Caribbean trace their origin back to Enugu. No be smarty, this one are very good news. Let me play the video and before we come back and continue.
This is a cultural diplomacy event. Several decades of searching for the true origin has brought this group from the Caribbean Haiti nation to Enugu state. They say they have traced their origin to the southeastern Nigerian state. Several reports and scholarly articles have shown that the Haitians attribute their religious culture to those of the Igbos. It's believed Igbo Loa, an ancient god of Indigo, is alive in Haiti and is being appeased in accordance with the culture and tradition of the Igbos. Leader of the delegation, Senator Moise John Charles, says they traveled 28 hours to the African country to identify with their Igbo brothers.
We have speeched in many places all over the world. We have already speeched during 3 times in the UN. I was invited by the Brazilian government. I was invited by the Venezuelan government. I have visited many places, many countries all around the world. But that's the first time I have visited a country where everybody looks like me. I've not come here as a foreign person.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back as you have watched that video. So this is a tribe of Igbos that have been living in Caribbean. So they have tracing their origin back, so as the ones in the US are also doing, tracing their origin, the ancestral land and that is they are coming to Enugu. So this is the what is going on. Okay, my people, let's look into the next matter where we'll get for our hand. They say for Ábuja, Nigeria, which is the federal capital of Nigeria. No be smart, you know. Let's play this video for you to watch the way those people are now operating inside Abuja cities, going house to house to carry people. Let's watch the video together before we come back and continue.
This just happened today in F01, Koba, Ábuja, on the June of 8th. Some kidnappers came here, blew up this place, trying to kidnap one of the residents in this compound. They already took one person at the downstairs, so they tried gaining entrance to this person's residence. Thank God for him. He's safe. They could not get him. And I thank God for my children and I, we are safe as well. This is what this country has turned into, that nowhere is safe. Nowhere is safe. They come to your house and kidnap. This is where we have gotten to. This is what we have found ourselves in this country. This happened today at about 12:30, at about 11:30 to 12 in F01, Ábuja.
Yeah, my people, some people will come and they will be like this. Abuja is good though. Abuja, this one, that one, there is security, that this one. There is no part of Nigeria right now as we are talking. You are safe because these people are everywhere. They are like, let me say, they are like a wolf in the bush. And when they are hungry, they will come outside and look for food and go inside. Until the day they are fully ready to do whatever they want to do. So this is what is going on in Nigeria as we are speaking right now. Yeah, my wonderful people, let's look into this matter we will see get for our hand. They say that the Showore have called the federal government to release Mazi Nnamdi Kalu immediately because the calamity that is falling Nigeria, nobody know where it's coming from. No be smart, you know, federal government, they go here. Nigeria will be like a pharaoh to Biafrans. Keep holding Nnamdi Kalu and things will keep on going wrong. That is what he himself said it. So keep holding him. My prayer for Nigeria is that all these people are playing. Let nothing happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kalu because it's not going to be like normal games. Those people was incarcerated and they later buy for inside on a hand. Nnamdi Kalu case will never be like those people. You think that people keep quiet now is because they don't know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. So pray nothing happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kalu. So my people, as that one is happening, they say that the Shell company want to exit oil exploration in Nigeria. And let me break it down the way our people go understand more better. Who be this Shell? Shell na the people wey be say whether Nigeria good today or bad, na them. This company are now because of this company, na even war come for Nigeria. These people don't commit a lot of things for inside Nigeria. Nigeria no good today, na them. And now they're not bad today, na still them. So they are the one who even rule that country. So finally, they said they want stop. Maybe they want make comot their name because of some debt where I don't hear say they go pay because of some criminal act where they don't do for inside Nigeria. They want carry am now go transfer give one local company. Na them because they say when Oyibo man do something, highest thing they go change name, use another name, see they do wetin they do. So Biafra must hold these people accountable for wetin they don't do for inside Biafra land. So however, finally they want carry their bag, say they want go, and some of things where they use, they go sell them, go give another people. May they still they use, they do their thing. So but however, people have people for this thing say finally they wan go after 80 something years where they don't hold Nigeria hostage. They wan finally go. So nobody knows, because if you watch what is happening in the world today, if we people are reading very well and see what is happening in the world today, you find out that this world is taking another dimension. So we'll pray that the children of God will be safe in everything that is going on. Those who are reading will understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, my wonderful people, please, I want you to share this update and make sure say you follow our page. As that one they happen, they say that they remember that information where I bring on give owner last time. Please watch the next video we will upload. We will give you the details of this Biafra Prime Minister, whether they do for whether they call Biafra House. I'm going to drop the details in the next videos, so make sure say you watch the next video to get the details of, because some people they ask, are they under Simon Ekpa? Is Simon Ekpa away? I'm going to break it down in the next video. So we'll see you for the next update. Share this video and follow this page.